Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast cinnamon rolls. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a can of refrigerated cinnamon rolls, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter for cooking. This delightful treat combines 2 breakfast favorites into one amazing dish. Now let's prepare the cinnamon rolls. Carefully unroll each dough strip from the can, making sure not to tear them. Lay these strips flat on your work surface. You can spread a thin layer of butter or even some cream cheese on each strip for extra flavor. Then, gently re-roll them back into their original spiral shape, ensuring they are tight and secure. Next, we'll create the delicious French toast batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs until they are well beaten. Pour in 1/4 cup of milk, then add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and evenly combined. This batter will give your rolls that classic French toast flavor. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your creation. Dip each re-rolled cinnamon roll into the French toast batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Cook the rolls for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are golden brown and cooked through. Drizzle with the reserved icing from the can and serve warm for a truly decadent breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.